you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and we're going to do a product review today. Amaze Chef, the same people that brought me the juicer, sent me another device. This little handy gadget right here. It is an on-the-go little, what do they call this now? Vacuum portable juice blender. Now, I yesterday tried to put it together, thought, oh, I don't need to read the directions. That was a complete fail. I'll show you that video today. It's comical. But this is a cool device. Check it out. You can recharge it in your car. It comes with a recharger. Of course, the portable juicer, the blender, excuse me, and its own straw because you can drink right out of the container. So this is great if you're jogging, if you're on a diet. And I've made breakfast, and so I want a smoothie. I'm gonna go walking after this. So let's try it out. I just rinsed it out. I got some frozen strawberries here. Now I chopped these up really small because after all, this is a rechargeable little thing here. So you don't want to put anything big, I would say, in this. I'm gonna put these in there, and then I'm gonna put the sweetener of my choice. You could use honey, you could use sugar, you could use stevia if you're on a diet or you're diabetic. Cute box. Does come with instructions, and I suggest you read them. Now I'm gonna put a little sugar in mine. Just enough, because I know these strawberries are anything but sweet. Now, oh, I got some milk. You only fill it up to the fill line. Do not fill past the fill line. Okay? And that is about right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay? See the fill line? That's very important. Don't go past there. All right? You put it on. Now, you got to line it up right there. Okay? Make sure it's lined up. Then your button on top, you press twice. Look at that. That is so cool. I used it yesterday and I loved it. When I went on my walk with Miss Nina, yeah. Okay, that should be good. Press it again and it stops. Press the little button on top here, pull it up, it unlocks. Our handy dandy straw, right in. Let's see. Yes. This is so cool. When you're traveling, this will be perfect. Camping, fishing, oh yeah. So I'm gonna have breakfast now. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Write to me at Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef.com. And go to the next video so you can see the bloopers I did on this by not reading the directions. You know, men, we know everything. Big love from Uncle Chris.